Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today we're making some Glock Speedloaders, but things didn't go as planned. I'm sure some of you can relate. Stick around to see what happens. So I prototyped the first couple of these in some scrap wood I had laying around the shop. It took a little fiddling to get things just right, but in my testing, I found the magazines were tearing up the wood, so I knew I needed something harder. I reached out to Rich over at Greener Lumber, and he suggested I try some rosewood. You know, this is not only gorgeous wood, but it's super hard, so I thought, cool, so I got some. That's when my problem started. So I asked for some hardwood, and boy did I get it. This is the first run at my normal feeds and speeds on my CNC, and you can see the result. It did not go well. So I replaced the bit and I slowed the machine way down to like 20% of my normal speed. It still chattered a little bit, but I got through it. But my machining time went from 7 minutes to almost 30. Yikes. It's going to be hard to make any money at that speed at the price point I had in mind. So I reached out to a bit company for a solution. And I think they have one. It's on the way and I can't wait to try it. I will of course do a follow-up video and show you this new bit in action. So if you aren't subscribed, be sure and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. You know, half the fun in the shop is solving problems and figuring things out. So today should have been like going to the circus, even though it felt like I was working for the circus cleaning up after the elephants. But help is on the way, so stay tuned. Leave us a comment below on something that's frustrated you lately in the shop. And until next time, get out and make something.